Good morning, students. Today we will study the important topic BMR, basal metabolic rate. Point 1. BMR is the amount of energy consumed by body cells while resting. These points mean when we are taking rest, at that time the energy consumed by our body cells is called BMR. Let me explain this sentence. When a person take rest, then a number of biological activities goes on within his or her body like digestion, respiration, bladder movement, etc. These all the biological process require ATP energy. For example, there are many vital organs like heart, lungs, kidney, brain, intestine, liver, and lungs inside our body. When we take rest, these all vital organs continue to function, and when they function, they require ATP. It means that amount of energy required by these vital organs, smooth muscles, while we take rest is called BMR, basal metabolic rate. Third point, out of total energy, 70% of the energy is used during rest, 20% of energy is used during physical activity, 10% of energy is used during the digestion of food. It means if we are consuming 100% energy throughout the day, let me write 100%, then out of the 100% energy, we consume 70% energy in taking rest, 20% energy if we do any physical activity, and 10% left energy we used while digesting food during the process of digestion. Fourth point, BMR of a person is measured under very limiting circumstances when he or she is awake. It means when we are calculating the BMR of a person, then the person should be awake. He should not sleep. Now, fifth point, an accurate BMR measurement required that the person's sympathetic nervous system is inactive, which means the person must be completely rested but not awake. We have studied before that sympathetic nervous system makes our body excited, and it prepares our body for fear, flight, and fight. Neurotransmitters which are associated with the sympathetic nervous system is adrenaline and noradrenaline. Adrenaline and noradrenaline, these both neurotransmitters prepare our body for fear, fight, and flight. Now, when BMR of a person is calculated, it should be taken care of that a person should not be under the conditions of fear, fight, and flight. For this purpose, the sympathetic nervous system should be inactive. It should be taken care of. Ki person should be calm and composed. He should not be in fear. He should not be frightened. And he should be awake, of course. He should not sleep. There are mostly two type of equation which is used for calculating the BMR of a person. The first equation is Harris-Benedict equation. Harris-Benedict equation is separate for men and women. You have to memorize it. And then second equation for calculating the BMR is Cache-McArdle formula. You can memorize this formula if you can memorize a single formula, then it can do the job. You need not to explain these both formula. You can write the name of Harris-Benedict equation, and then you can write Catch-McCardell formula in detail. Now here there are certain abbreviations are given. W stand for body weight in kg, H stand for body height, and A for age, and F for fat in percentage. ठीक, you can see in formula W for body weight, H in height, A age, है ना, weight, height, age, and here also F is given. F is for fat percentage and W is for body weight. Now there are certain factors which influence the BMI of a person. First of all is muscle mass. When a person do vigorous exercise, then he increases his muscle mass. The mass of skeletal muscle increases. ठीक है, we all know then that with increase in muscle mass, ATP consumption also increases. When ATP consumption increases, it means energy consumption is also increases. And if energy consumption increases, then it means BMR is increased. We know that muscle mass is composed of skeletal muscle, and when skeletal muscle contract, then it requires calcium and ATP. And we know that ATP is the energy currency of the cell. ATP is consumed, then BMR also increases. अगर हम लोग बॉडी बनाते हैं, मसल मास को इंक्रीज करते हैं, तो हमारा ATP भी बढ़ जाता है, क्योंकि हमारे मसल्स को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होने के लिए ATP रिक्वायर होता है. सेकंड पॉइंट आता है एज. ओल्ड पीपल have low BMR because they require minimum calorie to sustain functioning of their organs. बूढ़े लोग कम खाना खाते हैं, उन्हें कम कैलोरीज की नीड होती है, और इसीलिए उनका BMR भी कम होता है. इस लाइन का मतलब ये है. जेनेटिक, कुछ लोग जो होते हैं दे आर फेसिंग हेरिडेटरी ट्रेट्स विच इन्फ्लुएंस देयर BMR. जैसे किसी के फादर का BMR अगर नॉर्मली कम होता है या फिर बहुत इंक्रीज रहता है, तो उनका भी BMR उसी तरीके से इन्फ्लुएंस होता है. ठीक. थर्ड पॉइंट आते हैं वेदर पे. कोल्ड इन्वायरमेंट increase BMR because of the energy required to create a homeostatic body temperature. However, too much external heat can raise BMR as the body expend energy to cool off. ठीक है, हमें ये लाइन पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This line is more than sufficient. ठीक. It means when in cold weather a person shiver. When a person shiver, it causes the contraction of skeletal muscle which consume ATP, and ATP is consumed, then energy is consumed, and if energy is consumed, then BMR increases. ठीक है, तो अगर आपका BMR इंक्रीज हो रहा है, तो इट मीन्स दैट बॉडी इज कंज्यूमिंग एनर्जी टू कीप इटसेल्फ हॉट, टू कीप इटसेल्फ वार्म, और टू मेंटेन द नॉर्मल होम्योस्टेटिक टेम्परेचर ऑफ 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस. एक चीज़ को आप लोग और याद रखिएगा, BMR increases approximately 7% for every increase of 1.36 डिग्री फ़ारेनहीट in the body internal temperature. ठीक है, अगर हमारी बॉडी का टेम्परेचर मान लीजिए कि 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस है, और इसमें अगर ग्रोथ हो जाती है 1.36 डिग्री सेल्सियस की, 1.36 डिग्री सेल्सियस की ग्रोथ हो जाती है, मतलब अगर 38.91 डिग्री सेल्सियस अगर हो जाता है, तो फिर यहाँ पे क्या है, व्हाट इट डज, देन BMR इंक्रीजेस बाय 7%. क्लियरली इट शोज दैट इफ in every 1.36 degree increase, the BMR increases by 70%. You have to learn this. Oh, I have forgotten. Here it is written Fahrenheit. I have taken it as Celsius. Take care here. Now diet. If we are continuously taking small meals throughout the day, then our glucose level remains normal within the blood. With constant supply of glucose, our BMR also increases because glucose consumption results in formation of ATP and consumption of ATP. But however, if we starve or don't eat food, then the BMR decreases by 30%. मीन्स अगर हम लोग रूटीन वे में अगर नॉर्मल डाइट ले रहे हैं तो हमारा BMR इंक्रीज़ होगा, और अगर हम फास्टिंग करेंगे तो हमारा BMR जो है 30% डिक्रीज़ हो जाता है. प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन का BMR जो है नॉर्मली इंक्रीज्ड रहता है. ऐसा क्यों होता है? बिकॉज शी रिक्वायर एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी फॉर द इनग्रोइंग फीटस के लिए उसे ATP रिक्वायर होता है. ठीक है. इट मीन्स दैट एट द टाइम ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी द BMR ऑफ प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन इज आल्सो इंक्रीज्ड. कुछ सप्लीमेंट्स होते हैं like especially those supplements which are being taken for reducing weight. वेट को रिड्यूस करने के लिए जो सप्लीमेंट्स लिए जाते हैं लाइक कैफीन, वो क्या करते हैं? वो भी आपके BMR को इंक्रीज कर देते हैं एट द टाइम ऑफ मीन्स व्हेन द फैट इज बर्न्ड, है ना, देन द BMR इज कंज्यूम्ड. ATP is used for that purpose, energy is consumed for burning fat, and BMR is increased. Now this topic is complete, BMR is complete. If you have any question or query, you can contact me in the group.